Hello everyone, it's Rubik's Cube Master back again. I'm trying to figure this out. I just got this cube. So I'm trying to open it. See if I can. Still trying to open this. It's a little bit harder with one hand. Yeah, they also had I have a Phantom Cube, so I'll show that too. They're heat sensitive. Sorry. So now I can open the box. Oh. Let me figure this out. Oh. It's on this side, I think. So, yeah. You just open it by the side. Hold on. I got it out. Ooh. This is a nice cube. It comes with a stand, which is nice. So I can just put the stand right there. So yeah. So my thoughts on this cube are pretty nice. Actually, a friend of mine actually has one of these cubes. So I'm gonna put this on the stand to show it. I can figure out how to put it on the stand. Yay, but it fell. I'm putting this in the bag so I can show my Phantom Cube. A little bit. Whoa. Phantom Cube. Okay. I'm gonna do a solve on this in a different video. You also have this one, which is really cool. Phantom Cube, which I can open way easier. Still really hard to open this. Help. so you can see the Phantom Cube under. You know, lots of Rubik's Cube YouTubers also review Phantom Cubes, which are very cool. Well, I'm struggling over here, so I'll put the camera down. Okay. First specs on this cube. I think it's pretty good. Like it actually works. So I'm holding my feet like there. I'm gonna hold that under there for a second. I'm gonna get back out my other cube. I don't have my stand for some reason. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna try checkerboard pattern. I'm lucky I can do a checkerboard pattern with one hand. Like literally. This is like really cool. Sure, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. So I've actually revealed the color a little bit more. It's nice. I'm gonna. So yeah, guys. I think you can see my face. I still have my GAN cube right here. Right here. My GAN cube. Hey. I'm gonna ask a question. So guys, this is my Phantom Cube. This is really cool. I'm just gonna put my hand on top like this. So yeah, and look, I revealed the color a little bit more. This is really cool. So I'm putting my hand right here a little bit longer. Revealed the color. Phantom Cubes are so cool like this. Also, this is a better way to review this cube again. I'm doing this off really quick. The solve determines on how good this cube is. I'm not that fast, but I'm still pretty fast. Also, I'm used to magnetic cubes and more corner cutting good cubes. So I can corner cut better, but this is still really good. Let's see if I can remember this. Then this is a nice fast cube. Only thing, the difference is that this one, I can't really take a piece out, but you can tell this does not have magnets. If you could feel this. See, this one still has magnets. So I can't take out the magnets, so really I can't. But I still have my Phantom Cube, which I am actually going to mix up, which is probably a bad idea. Look. The next video, bye guys. The next video, I will be showing I will be solving this, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Have a great day, bye!